Hi, I'm Marshall Tilden with the Wine Enthusiast, here to introduce our brand new Wine Enthusiast 28-bottle VinoView wine cellar. These VinoView shelves are crafted from a sturdy black wire and they are rubber coated. So not only are they protecting every bottle, but allowing you to see every beautiful label in this collection. There's also a dramatic LED lighting on either side, again, accentuating every bottle right up front on that glass door. It comes equipped with this really sleek, smudge-proof black stainless steel trim, and because it utilizes compressor cooling, it's ideal for storing both red and white wines and can be brought down to service temperature for white wine as well. And with the digital controls on the outside of the door, you're able to adjust the temperature and the lighting without opening the door, letting all that cool air out. This 28-bottle VinoView cellar is as beautiful as it is quiet, making it perfect for living room, dining room, media rooms, anywhere that you want to show off all the labels in your prized collection. So here you have it, the brand new Wine Enthusiast 28-bottle VinoView wine cellar. Cheers, enjoy.
Collectors know that great wine is as much an art form as it is good craftsmanship. But in order for wine to mature to its fullest perfection, it needs the right conditions. How can we keep it that way? Where is there a name we can trust? Introducing the AWR 460DB Deluxe Wine Cooler, an innovative environment control system with a touch of elegance. It's one of the best reviewed and most trusted systems on the market. A wine needs the right temperature to mature properly. If it's too warm, it ages prematurely, losing its flavor. If it's too cold, the cork contracts, letting in oxygen and ruining the wine. The AWR 460DB has a special energy-efficient compressor that cools your wine evenly, and it uses no harsh chemicals. It's environment-friendly, and it's dual zone. You can set at different temperatures to keep your reds and whites separate. The digital display and easy push-button controls let you keep the temperature exactly how you want it. The AWR 460DB is one of the best reviewed wine coolers online. People like that its adjustable natural wood shelves can fit up to 46 bottles of wine, and that the LED light adds a touch of elegance, whether for your living area, kitchen, bar, or impressing at a party. The AWR 460DB is one of the most proven and trusted wine temperature control systems on the market. Don't let the elements stop you from crafting your wine to perfection. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir. NewAir, a name you can trust.